Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So we will see what are the energies coming to you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Leo, what's coming to you in 2024? You have the Moth. Moth is about transformation, changes, no? This is also about intuition. So I think ngayong 2024, you're going to be more connected sa instinct mo. Mas madali kang makakasense if there is something wrong or someone is not true to you, no? So pwede mong gamitin yan as your guide, no? Sa mga decision making mo. And you also have flying fish. So itong flying fish is about mga bagong exciting na experiences that you will experience ngayong 2024. Kasi 'di ba yung usually ang mga fish ay nasa tubig, hindi talaga sila lumilipad. Pero itong flying fish, dalawa yung capabilities niya, 'di ba? So pwede siya sa tubig tapos lumilipad rin siya. And ito rin yung parang kino-consider na mga blessings ng mga fishermen dahil pumupunta na lang siya basta sa kanilang mga boat, and it's like a blessing kasi bigla siyang pupunta sa kanila nang hindi naman talaga nila hinahanap. So for some of you, you will receive blessings, unexpected blessings ngayong 2024. And this is also taking a leap of faith, no? So maaring meron kang kumbaga magte-take ka ng risk. Exciting to for you. You're going on an adventure. You will have more courage, lakas ng loob, no? Na sumubok ng mga bagay na hindi mo pa nasusubukan before. Pero ngayong 2024, mas courageous, malakas ang loob. Ayan. You also have the energy of the wind. The wind is releasing of stuck energy. This is also about cleansing, no? So I think meron kang mga i-release, i-let go ng mga bagay, tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo that are no longer serving your highest purpose. And you will focus on cleansing. Siguro mas magiging madalas ka na yung may mga gagawin kang mga activities na makakapag-release ng negative energies for you, like pagpapamasahe or yung mga doing spiritual work for energy cleansing, things like that, no? Ngayong 2024. So let's see what else for Leo. You have Libra, balance. Ayan. So, balancing your energies. Maaring ito yung maayos na pagpaplano sa mga gagawin mo na hindi lang puro trabaho. Siyempre, isipin mo rin yung sarili mo. Balance na kaya mong ma-handle lahat ng needs mo at yung mga needs ng ibang tao sa paligid mo na importante sa'yo. You also have the 11th house, which is your community. I think you will be connecting more with a lot of people ngayong 2024, creating community, connecting with groups, being part of a circle or a community na meron kayong certain goal para ma-improve ang situation ng humanity. Yung iba sa inyo, sasali sa mga charitable work or may mga gagawin kayong activities to help others. You also have the Taurus energy, which is about cultivation. So, ito yung pag-aalaga, no, sa sarili mo, pag-aalaga sa mga taong mahal mo. And Taurus energy is also focused on yung mga material aspects sa buhay mo. So I think for 2024, meron kang mga i-establish na financial flow or cash flow, i-establish na business, i-establish na career, na magbibigay sa'yo ng stable income. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa. So, ano tayo? Month by month energies for you. For January, you have the Queen of Cups. So, creative energy to for you. You will tap into your emotions, your feelings mo, at ilalabas mo yan sa pamamagitan ng mga creative na gawain, no? Mga, let's say, for example, pagdating sa emotions mo, you know how to channel your emotions, so you will write songs, magko-compose ka ng songs, or you will sing songs, no? Things like that. So, kumbaga, i-convert mo yung emotions mo through creative pursuits. Okay? And then, pagdating naman ng February, you have the Chariot. So, this is success journey. So, maaring by February, may travels kang gagawin. Maari ring acquire ka ng sasakyan ngayong February. And you are focused on your goals, no? Hindi ka magpapa-distract. Pagdating naman ng March, meron ditong Judgment. This is reinvention of yourself. See, meron talagang awakening sa inyo. Meron kayong realization, maaring spiritual awakening, belief system nyo nagbabago, and you are accepting the things na wala kayong control. So you are focused on where you are headed, and at the same time, ikaw rin alam mo na kailangan meron kang baguhin to improve yourself, to improve your life. So pagdating naman ng April, King of Pentacles, you are focusing on your finances, i-establish mo yung estado mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, yung mga ipon mo, yung mga properties mo. So, talagang pinagtitibay mo yan. And maaari ring may mga taong tutulungan ka. Oo, kapag hiningan ka ng tulong. So, pagdating naman ng May, you have the Knight of Wands. Going with the flow, I think you will also have fun. Pagdating ng May, pwedeng going on a road trip with someone, like friends mo, being carefree. Yan yung nakikita ko sa inyo. And then, pagdating naman ng June, you have the Empress. Wow, this is a very great energy for you. This is abundance, this is flowing, yung creative flow, no? Sabihin yung pagiging creative mo, tuloy-tuloy. Marami kang mga creative ideas na pwede mong i-pursue, na sa kung saan pwede kang maging very fulfilled dyan. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magkaanak, no? Kasi fertility rin itong the Empress. So, if you are planning to have a baby by 2024, there's a big possibility na mangyayari yan. This is also about taking care of yourself. So, self-love, self-care for some of you. Focusing on pag-aalaga mo naman sa sarili mo, lalo na kung nung mga nakaraan puro ibang tao yung iniisip mo, no? Oo. So, pagdating naman ng July, you have the High Priestess. Meron kang ipupursue na religious beliefs or belief system. Pwedeng mas lalong lalalim yung pagtingin mo sa sarili mo, sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo, mas magiging sensitive ka, mas magiging heightened yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. You will have vivid dreams na tipong, yung mga dreams mo, masyado siyang spiritual to the point na meron siyang certain interpretation sa nangyayari sa reality mo. Ganon. And then, this is for August. You have the Ace of Wands. New beginnings for you ngayong August 2024. May bagong career, meron kang bagong ipupursue, meron kang certain new interest, no, na gusto mong subukan. So, some of you, mga kailangan to na mag-travel or pumunta sa ibang lugar, or pwede ring relocation for some. So, you also have the Emperor. This is being, in control of your life. So, pagdating ng September, Maaring meron kang i-assume na leadership role, maaring may promotion sa trabaho, sa work mo, and I think whatever, kung ano man yung mga nasimulan mo ng mga nakaraan na buwan, pagdating ng September, you will see na marami ka na palang na-achieve, no? Marami ka na palang narating. Malayo na pala yung narating mo. Dahil na rin sa disiplina mo sa sarili mo at sa pagbibigay mo ng structure sa mga actions mo, no? And this is also being more strict, no? Pagiging stricto sa sarili mo. Yung tipong hindi ka magpapadala sa impluwensya ng iba. So, pagdating naman ng October, you have the sun. This is your energy. Ang ganda. Being happy. This is fulfillment. Oo. So, kumbaga, pagdating ng October, you will really appreciate yung fruits of your labor, yung mga na-experience mo, yung mga sinubukan mo, yung mga nag-take ka ng risk. Kumbaga makikita mo na yung resulta niyan and masasabi mo sa sarili mo na I'm glad I took that risk. I'm glad that I went for an adventure. Ganon. And then this is also confidence in you. Sobrang lakas ng iyong confidence sa iyong sarili. And this is also, nakikita rin yan ng maraming tao. You are going to shine so bright. So, pagdating naman ng November, you have the strength card. Energy nyo na naman ito, Leo. So, the courage, the strength, and being in control of your life. Sobrang lakas ng personality ninyo na for some people, no, iisipin yan is parang mai-insecure sa inyo or mai-intimidate sa inyo. Pero you are just very confident, no? You just know what you want. You know what you can do. No, alam mo yung kaya mong gawin. So, syempre pag ganun, confident na confident ka. So, pagdating ng December, you have the 5 of Wands. Merong competition. Merong challenge sa'yo pagdating ng December about, siguro pwedeng ito yung mga taong na-insecure sa'yo or parang they will try to challenge your strength, your power, no? But I think you're very competitive kasi kayang-kaya mo tong kayang-kaya mong ipaglaban yung sarili mo. Kayang-kaya mong patunayan that you deserve whatever success that you have sa 2024. Okay? So, let us get some other messages for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Leo. Okay. So, you have faith. This situation needs your full trust. So, maaring meron kang pagsubok na pagdadaanan sa trabaho, sa career, sa business or finances mo na doon patatatagin yung pananalig mo sa Diyos, pananalig mo sa sarili mo. You also have, speaking of pananalig, meron ditong altar. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong special space sa bahay ninyo wherein dun kayo nakakapag-meditate. You are going to connect more sa higher self mo, sa mga spirit guides mo, and kumbaga hihingi ka rin ng tulong sa kanila kung paano mo ma-achieve yung goals and dreams mo, like to guide you through your pursuits dun sa mga adventure na papasukin mo. Kasi, diba, speaking of guidance, alam nyo, Leo, super spiritual ang 2024 para sa inyo. Marami kayong realizations about yourself and yung connections nyo to the divine, to the spirit realm. I think some of you will follow mga different forms of divination, yung mga spiritual belief system, and then history. Meron ka rin career or business na pwedeng babalikan mo, no? Pwede itong makapag-inspire sa'yo na kumbaga yung touch of what you had or what you did in the past, i-apply mo sa 2024. And somehow, parang binabalikan mo na siya at the same time. You are also focusing on improving it, no? Mas ini-improve mo pa. This can be a business or a job na nagawa mo in the past na ngayong 2024 ay susubukan mo ulit or ipagpapatuloy mo. Sa relationship naman, meron kayong options. Maraming options for connections. Maaring you may be meeting your soulmate or tinan nyo having a child yung iba sa inyo magkakaanak. And you are manifesting a very very strong connection na merong soulmate na energy for your relationship. Okay, so that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.